It's a 1931 Atwater Kent Model 84 Cathedral radio in non-working condition. I consider it very restorable. I'll take a quick look at the interior and exterior, and you can determine for yourself if you want to try to restore this desirable antique radio. The wood cabinet is solid. It's probably the best quality, other than the fact that the unit is complete. I've not tested it. It's missing the power cord. I probably wouldn't plug it in anyway. After looking at some of the pieces are not connected. Alright, so the cabinet, glance at the bottom. Everything appears to be in very good, solid condition. There are some spots. I don't know if it's paint or dirt. I did not attempt to get it off. There's some mild scratching right here. When I do pack this, I'll wrap it carefully in bubble wrap and shrink wrap, and make sure it's double boxed. It does weigh, 25 pounds or so. The dials do work. The tuner dial does move. The gauge, this metal piece is intact. The mesh is ripped in places. All original. The front facade, this button moves, on-off button here. Does click. Around back, again, mostly complete. Model 84. Speakers intact. Take a look at the pictures for perhaps a better view of this interior. The tubes do appear intact. They're quite dusty. And power cord is missing. Well, thanks very much for looking. You can check out the pictures for a more stable view. Thanks for looking. Please bid and make this old girl yours.